Welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to talk you through some of the features and options of this very nice 420D M Sport Coupe, presented in the black sapphire metallic, and alongside that, of course, we've also fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Included in that is the very nice 19-inch 763M CS style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres, and again they are finished in the very nice satin grey, and as you can see there, they look very nice set against the black sapphire exterior colour. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2016 16 plate, and you'll also see the angel eye and xenon headlamps in operation there. At the side of the vehicle, it's got the BMW gloss black air breathers alongside our satin sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. Throughout this video, I'm hopefully going to be able to show you that this vehicle is in very nice condition throughout, inside and outside. And I'm going to shortly now go on and show you the interior, where we have the black Dakota leather, which for this vehicle comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options. And as you can see there, again, the interior is all in wonderful condition. We have got the brushed aluminium and high gloss black interior trims. It's the 7-speed automatic in this car. In the rear, again, you'll find a very nice, clean and tidy Dakota leather rear bench. That is also ISOFIX ready, along with a central folding armrest and storage tray. And again there, you'll see the very nice darkened M Sport headliner. And moving around towards the rear of the car, again showing you off those absolutely incredible alloy wheels. Definitely, if not one of my favourite alloy wheels that we are able to offer here at Your Next Car. They look absolutely incredible, set against the 4 Series. At the back, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser. And if you've not yet seen in the boot of a 4 Series coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much space there is in there, alongside split folding seats to enhance that room. And there you can see there that everything, once again, is all clean and tidy, and of course does come with genuine BMW floor mats, which will of course also accompany the car. Round at the other side, again, we can show and highlight to you that this vehicle is in wonderful condition, and that black sapphire metallic really does work well with everything we've made in addition to the car, especially those very eye-catching alloy wheels. And I'm going to shortly go on, take you inside and just walk you through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. So now we're sat very comfortably inside the car. First of all is to show you the professional wide navigation and media screen. And first of all, we'll just run you through the service status and service requirements of the car. And we'll just quickly OK the message here whilst I'm showing you around the dual climate control, and alongside where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. Down at the service requirement screen, as you can see there, everything is highlighted in the green. And up at the service history screen, we've got some BMW service history with the car. Alongside that, there's of course the fantastic navigation screen alongside Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone. We've got DAB along with a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. This vehicle's covered just over 53,000 miles. Alongside that, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter options, along with voice and volume controls, all situated on our lovely multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So with all of our walk around videos, hopefully you've enjoyed it, and hopefully I've been able to show you that this vehicle is in wonderful condition throughout. However, if you are requiring further information, please remember that down in the description you will of course find a link to our website, and along with direct contact details for ourselves here at Your Next Car. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around video, and hopefully guys, we'll see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.